Have you ever tried to make a color palette from a reference photo and then the colors just look wrong? Maybe the stems feel like they don't belong in the same illustration, or the leaves look way too green? In this video, I will show you a quick Procreate tip to make your colors look natural and consistent without repainting everything. This happens to a lot of beginners. You carefully pick colors straight from your reference photo, but when you put them together, they feel disconnected. The solution isn't to start over or pick brand new colors. It's to make the colors you already have work together. This tip actually came from one of my 2-hour tutorials. A student asked me about something I did at the 30-minute mark to fix exactly this problem. So I thought I'm going to make a YouTube video and walk you through that exact technique. What I used is a hidden trick in Procreate's color drop feature, specifically the color drop threshold. Once you know how to adjust it, you can tweak your colors so they naturally match the rest of your artwork. In my original tutorial, I picked a purple for the stem, but it didn't really blend with the rest of the green-toned illustration. Here's what I did. First, I selected a green from the leaves. I dragged it onto the stem using color drop. Before releasing, I slide my Apple Pencil left and right to adjust the threshold. I stopped at a point where the green mixed with the purple to create a more muted, harmonious tone. I picked this newly adjusted color by double tapping my Apple Pencil and then painted the rest of the stem with this color. The next time your colors feel disconnected, remember you don't need to repaint or start over. The first way is to use color drop and adjust the threshold to blend your colors naturally. Another quick way to achieve a similar effect is to create a new layer on top, drag in your desired color, and then lower that layer's opacity, often below 20%. This will shift the overall tones of your artwork toward that desired color, making everything look more cohesive. Both methods work on the same principle. You are gently adjusting your colors so they feel like they belong together. I hope you found these tips helpful. I've got many more Procreate drawing techniques that will help you improve your digital art. If you're interested, check out my membership tutorials. The link is in the video description below.